Hello and welcome to Shopaccino tutorial video. In this video, we will learn how to add Google Analytics on your store. From the menu, click on Apps, search for Google Analytics, click on View Details, click on Activate, manage the app and enter the Google Analytics code. Log in into the Google Analytics account and click on Start Measuring. Enter your business name. Click on Next. Now create a property, enter your business name. Choose the country from the drop-down. Select the currency. Click on Next. Select the industry type. Select your business size. Click on Next. Tick check the options you want Google Analytics to track. Now click on Create. Select the country. Tick check the I accept terms and condition dialog box and click on I accept. Now choose the source from which you want the Google Analytics to track. Copy your website URL and paste it here. Enter your store name. Now click on Create and Continue. So your Google Analytics account is now created. Now copy the Google Analytics code starting with G followed by the number. Paste this code in Shopaccino. Click on Save. Now let's run the test installation. Click on Test Installation. So now your Google Analytics account is ready to track your website data.